avocado pearls in 75 by 60 cm rounds. Here is a suggestion, which is to basically sprinkle your avocado pearls on the yellow-green areas of the canvas. So in this particular one that we have done, we've placed it on the swirls on top, just following the lines. And we've also sprinkled it on this big orb behind the girl. So kind of just sprinkle it in those areas in the lime green or yellow green areas. And then we also have some areas here with the avocado pearls. So this is just a suggestion. You can choose how you would like to conduct your own special treatment.